What's up guys, and welcome to a new video here on Patreon. Today I'll be creating some buildings for my Blade Runner project. So yeah, I think I'll just bring you guys along here. So yeah, I just googled Blade Runner building city and I got these buildings. So I'm sort of just going to be kit bashing them together to one big building that I will be able to put somewhere here and sort of scatter around the scene. Okay, so let's see here. I'll just start by adding in a box, a cube. I shortcut V for cube. That's just makes everything a little faster. So I will create this base and probably this head and sort of use these textures. So this building is a little longer, like this maybe, and I can't talk. I'm super sick right now, so yeah, I will create something like this maybe. I'm sort of replicating this texture here, so yeah, something like that, just basic extruding, scaling, and yeah, so something like that maybe. I don't know, you don't really have to be true to the photo, you can just do a little whatever you want. So I'm just gonna scale these up a little more, and I'll make this large one, and I'll make another large one like that, and I will do this. Okay, so for the top here I will just do some simple, let's see here, simple beveling. Okay, great. So now when we have that, I will create this little part here. So that is basically a cube. So I'm gonna add a cube, scale this like that maybe. Okay, something like this, and I will have this running down like that, and this is just extruding and stuff. Okay, great. So here we have our high-tech futuristic building. So once we have that, we can apply the same material here. So this is called Blade Runner building. So I will search for that. Is that the same image? Yeah, it is. Okay, so I'm going to sort of match up the same angle like that maybe, and hit U, project from view. So here I can just sort of line it up roughly. And yeah, this sort of works for a distance building, not for like super up close. But yeah, so to finer adjust this further, I will, let's see, I think we can just use elements like this maybe. So that's basically a cube. So I'll make a cube here, model this sort of llama head, I don't know. So extrude, scale, make a thinner version here, like that maybe, extrude that, make the top part like so, bring that up, loop cuts, yeah. Okay, so now what is happening now? Oh, it isn't projected. I'm just going to project this onto the llama. Oh, no, I sort of reprojected that. Okay, select all this, using this tool here. Yeah, okay. Line it up, you project from you. Okay, so I will line it up like that, and it sort of works. So I will sort of add this thing here for extra geometry. Can probably subdivide this and extrude, I don't know. Yeah, just random stuff for extra realism. So if you see the roofs, they are sort of stretched and same with edges. So to fix that, we can just select the roofs like that and click U, project from view. So now we can just like line these up with random stuff like this and this. Yeah, it works. And let's add some bevels by selecting everything in edge mode and hit Ctrl B. Okay, great. So now we can sort of connect these together if we just put them like that. Yeah. I think that's... oh. Now we sort of rigged up here. So I have the autocorrect UVs feature, which you can toggle on and off here. For this particular thing, we don't really need it, because if we move it around, you can see the UVs also do. So if we just uncheck that, now we can move these and set them like correctly up. Great. Okay. Here we have our fat building. That looks pretty good. So